Dust to dust. Follow a single nitrogen atom from soil, through the tree, back to soil as a fallen leaf.
Picture your nitrogen atom sitting in the soil, bound up in decomposing leaf matter, held in place by mycelia and bacterial cells. Fungi and bacteria are breaking down that old leaf tissue, and through a process called ammonification, they're cleaving proteins apart, releasing your nitrogen atom as ammonia. It's smelly, acidic work. The ammonia sits there, slightly toxic, until other bacteria oxidize it into nitrite and then nitrate. Your atom is now negatively charged, floating freely in soil water. Then comes spring. A tree's fine root hairs, impossibly thin, are extending through the soil searching for precisely this nitrogen. When your atom brushes up against those root cells, it enters through special transport proteins, actively pumped inside. Once inside the root, your nitrogen is immediately combined with glutamate, forming glutamine. The tree has captured it. Locked it into an amino acid it can use. Dust to dust indeed.
So the atom gets pumped up into the tree from there? How does it move from root to leaf?
From the root, your nitrogen atom travels in the xylem, the tree's vascular highway, dissolved in water being pulled upward by transpiration. Millions of water molecules evaporating from leaf surfaces create a tension that draws the whole column upward, your atom riding along. It can move hundreds of feet in a single day this way. When it reaches the leaf, the nitrogen gets incorporated into chlorophyll molecules and the enzymes that drive photosynthesis. Your atom may spend an entire growing season inside a single enzyme called RUBISCO, which fixes carbon dioxide from the air. It is, in a real sense, helping build the tree. Every glucose molecule the leaf makes passes through machinery that contains your atom.
And then autumn. The tree doesn't just drop the leaf, it takes the nitrogen back first, right?
Exactly right, and this is one of the more elegant things trees do. As days shorten in autumn, the tree dismantles its chlorophyll and strips the nitrogen out before the leaf falls. Special enzymes break down those proteins, and the nitrogen gets loaded back into the phloem, a separate vascular system that moves sugars and nutrients downward and pulled back into the branches and trunk for winter storage. What falls to the ground is a nitrogen-depleted husk. The brilliant reds and yellows of autumn are literally the colors underneath the green, revealed as the chlorophyll is systematically harvested. Your atom overwinters in the heartwood, tucked into storage proteins, waiting for spring to be mobilized again into new leaves. It may do this cycle dozens of times before the tree dies. Then, finally, your atom returns to the soil and the bacteria begin again.